A good heart is full of kindness. It forgives easily, gives selflessly, and loves without conditions. Such a heart can build many relationships because it touches lives with compassion. But a good nature goes beyond emotions. It reflects character. It is seen in our actions, in how we treat others with respect, humility, and integrity. It creates trust, admiration, and lasting impressions. A good heart can win people, but a good nature wins their hearts. When both come together, it not only just create relationship but also create deep and meaningful connection that stands the test of time. So be kind but also be genuine and consistent, also graceful in your conduct. That's the real magic.